So, you've probably heard the name Peak Bank floating around. Maybe you saw an ad for a high-yield savings account or a competitive CD rate. And if you're like a lot of people, your first thought was, is that even a real bank? It's a great question to ask, especially in a world with so many online financial services popping up. It's smart to be cautious when it comes to your money. And the short answer is yes, Peak Bank is a real bank. But that's not the whole story. The more important question is, what kind of bank is it, and is it right for you? Peak Bank isn't a standalone, traditional bank with brick-and-mortar branches on every corner. It's actually the online division of a well-established, FDIC-insured institution called Idaho First Bank. This is a common model in today's financial landscape. A smaller, regional bank creates an online-only brand to offer products with highly competitive rates to a nationwide audience, without the overhead of physical locations. This is a huge benefit for you, the consumer. Since they don't have to pay for buildings, staff for those branches, and all the other costs that come with physical locations, they can pass those savings on to you in the form of higher interest rates on savings accounts and certificates of deposit. We're talking rates that are often significantly higher than what you'd find at the big national banks. But as with anything, there are a few things to consider. Because it's an online-only bank, you're not going to be able to walk into a branch to talk to someone. Customer service is typically handled through phone, email, or online forms. You also won't get a debit card with their high-yield savings account. This is a deliberate choice to keep it as a pure savings product and not a checking account. If you need to withdraw funds, you'll transfer them to an external account, which can take a few business days. For some, that's a deal breaker. For others, it's not an issue at all. It really comes down to how you plan to use the account. If you're looking for a place to park your emergency fund or save for a down payment, a high-yield savings account with a top-tier APY is perfect. The money is safe, it's working for you, and the slightly longer transfer time helps prevent impulse spending. Ultimately, Peak Bank is a legitimate, FDIC-insured option for savers who are comfortable with the digital-first banking experience. They offer competitive rates and a straightforward product lineup. Just remember to always do your research and make sure the bank's features align with your financial goals.